So here we present to you DICE drug-induced sleep endoscopy of adult 40-year-old male with BMI of 26.6, AHI of 57.2, mostly obstructive apneas, very few number of hypopneas. So we are doing the DICE with BIS monitoring. You can see patient is a mouth breather, and as we see inside, you can see some allergic changes in the nose. And as we go inside, you see a lot of secretions. And here we see a funnel type of palatal level collapse. Complete apnea. These are the tonsils. You can see that the tonsils are coming together. So that's the base tongue. You can see his base tongue is also collapsing and joining the tonsils here to cause a complete collapse. And base tongue is also pressing onto the epiglottis. Now this is with the mouth open. Now we'll see what happens with the mouth closed. So the patient is in the correct BIS range. Now at this point I am closing his mouth. Now we see that his palate is still collapsing, but his base tongue is now not collapsing. Or collapsing less. So we understand that his soft palate is the major cause of his problems. This is with the mouth closed. You can see with the mouth closed, his tongue is actually not contributing as much to the collapse. It's majority by the soft palate. Though he's got a little retrognathia, but you can see here very clearly that when his mouth is kept closed, his tongue is not contributing to the collapse. It's majorly the soft palate. Now as I leave his mouth open, now I have left his mouth to remain open, and you'll see that his tongue is collapsing completely here. And that's the upper part of the tongue. That's because of the retrognathia. Now there's a complete collapse of the upper part of the tongue. So even if we reduce the base of the tongue, the upper part will still keep on collapsing. So the correct treatment is palatal surgery with training on nasal breathing so that the mouth remain closed. Thank you very much for watching.